On today's journey, we take you down Route 66 to historical Barstow, California to check out the grand reopening of the Route 66 Mother Road Museum and Harvey House. Let's go!
Hi, here we are. We're getting ready to go to the Route 66 reopening of the museum to see how it is at the Harvey House.
Several retired locomotives are parked outside the Harvey House and Route 66 Museum that highlight Barstow's rich railroad history. Barstow has long been a critical point on the Santa Fe Railway and remains a major transportation hub today. The Harvey House in Barstow, known as Casa Del Desierto, is a beautifully restored historic railroad depot that was once a key stop for travelers on the Santa Fe Railway. Built in 1911, it was one of the Grand Harvey Houses, a chain of railroad hotels and restaurants established by Fred Harvey to provide quality food and accommodations to train passengers. The building is an iconic landmark of early 20th century rail travel. The Harvey House system revolutionized railway dining, replacing poor-quality food with fresh, well-prepared meals. The restaurant was staffed by the famous Harvey Girls, young women hired to bring high standards of service and hospitality to train travelers. Here's a couple friends having fun. There is a nice turnout here today at the reopening, and they offered a few fun photo ops, food, and even a car show.
Alright, we'll take and show you a few different cars. There's a new Corvette Stingray, another Vet. That's sure real nice. I like that color blue. Looks good. Some really nice cars out here today at this car show here they got going on for the Route 66 Museum.
This one was my favorite.
Yeah, all kinds of old cars. That's a nice wagon. Really clean. Really nice looking Thunderbird there. My dad had one of those when I was a kid. New Camaro. Another nice Thunderbird. Alright, here's some of Barstow's finest out here. Here's one of their engines. Engine M3366.
Thank you for your service.
Line safety bags. Their chainsaws, a blower to ventilate, some bolt cutters, sledgehammer. Good. How you gentlemen doing today?
How you doing?
Wonderful.
Good.
The amount of gear that these guys carry is crazy.
Some of the jaws of life there from the compressor. Big nozzle up there. Here's all the different fittings and stuff. all the controls for the engine. Hi, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.
So, if you are in the area, come and check out the Harvey House and the Route 66 Museum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.